Welcome to the driver's seat. Toyota is a car company that has been defined for the last couple of decades by vehicles like the Prius, Tacoma, and Camry. Believe it or not, years ago they used to actually make performance cars. I used to own a Celica. Now recently they brought vehicles back like the 86, but Subaru built that for them. Brought back the Supra. BMW built that one for them. But this is the GR Corolla, a vehicle that they actually built. And this is a pocket rocket. Toyota just got tired of the Type R from Civic, Focus RS, Golf R. Everyone else is making these hot hatches, and Toyota said, we're gonna make one too. So what you have is a 1.6 liter, 3-cylinder, turbocharged, super boosted engine that produces 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Now, what I like about this vehicle is a lot. Manual transmission, 6-speed, just perfect. Love the steering, love the handling, the brakes, and you have all-wheel drive, like Civic Type R, front-wheel drive. So I think that's a nice differentiator. So it competes really head-on with the Golf R, which is all-wheel drive as well. What you're looking at here is the Circuit Edition. This is the top of the line. There are 3 trim levels available, and this is the flame blue color. It's perfect. I love everything about this vehicle. Even this roof has this nice graphic design on it. Inside you have Alcantara seats. You just have all the features you would want in kind of a fun track car. And what I mean by that is this is basically a right out of the box vehicle that you could take on the track. And on a daily commute, you could use 80, 90% of it. It's a lot of fun. So let's get in, let's go for a ride. This is an easy recommendation if you can find one. This thing is planted, sticks to the road, it's fun to drive, it's got the right proportions. I can't believe it took Toyota this long to get this right, but they did. This is a fun ride. I gotta hand it to Toyota, they really nailed it. Steering, shifter, just how the suspension works with the tires. Man, are you telling me Toyota could have been doing this all along? Why did Toyota have to wait until the Civic came out with their Type R in order to do this? If I had to complain about one thing about this vehicle, it's that they should have had an Alcantara steering wheel. At the core, the premium and the Circuit. We're in the Circuit. Looks great. Amazing performance. Love the shifter. Nice braking. So there you have it, the 2024 GR Corolla from Toyota. So there you have it, the 2024 GR Corolla from Toyota. As shown here, about $46,000, worth every penny. Highly recommend it. It's functional. It's a performance car, and it's affordable. It's really got everything you need. Love it. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.